Can you find the mistake in this sentence? I know like apples. Does that sound correct to you? Think for a moment. The answer is no. Something is wrong with that sentence. Hello, everyone. Welcome to learning while listening anytime. I am very happy you are here today. Today, we are going to fix that mistake. We will learn how to say no correctly. We will learn about negative sentences. Make sure you stay with me until the end of the video. By the end of this lesson, you will make perfect English sentences. What is a negative sentence? A negative sentence tells us that something is false. It tells us that something is not happening. It is the opposite of a positive sentence. We use a very important word for this. That word is not. Every negative sentence has the word not. There are two simple ways to make a negative sentence. Let us learn the first way. Way number 1 is using the verb to be. The verb to be means the words am, is, and are. To make a negative sentence, we just put the word not after am, is, or are. Here are some easy examples. I am not a doctor. He is not my brother. She is not at school. It is not a dog. We are not sad. They are not at the park. You are not late. See how easy it is. You just put not after the verb. Now let us learn the second way. Way number 2 is using action verbs. Action verbs are words like eat, play, read, and run. For action verbs, we cannot just add not. We need a helping word. We use the words do not or does not. We use do not for I, you, we, and they. We use does not for he, she, and it. Let us look at some examples. I do not like apples. You do not read books. We do not play games. They do not go to the market. He does not eat fish. She does not drink milk. It does not sleep here. Remember one very important rule. When we use does not, we do not put an S on the action verb. So we say she does not drink, we never say she does not drinks. Now let us practice with real sentences. I will give you a sentence. You find the negative words. Sentence 1. Sarah does not eat meat. Can you find the negative part? The answer is does not eat. Sentence 2. Tom is not at the library. Find the negative part. The answer is not. Sentence 3. I do not have a car. Can you find the negative words? The answer is do not have. Sentence 4. The cat is not in the house. Find the negative part. The answer is not. Sentence 5. David does not work at the hospital. Where are the negative words? The answer is does not work. Sentence 6. We are not friends. Find the negative part. The answer is are not. Sentence 7. Emma does not like the phone. Find the negative words. The answer is does not like. Sentence 8. The students are not at school. Find the negative part. The answer is are not. Sentence 9. You do not play with the dog. Find the negative words. The answer is do not play. Sentence 10. I am not tired. Find the negative part. The answer is am not. Let us do some English listening practice. Listen to this conversation between Sarah and Tom. Try to hear all the negative sentences. Tom, do you want to go to the park? I do not want to go to the park. Are you tired? No, I am not tired. Do you have a lot of work? I do not have work today. Then why are we staying home? The car does not work. Oh no, is it broken? I do not know. Should we take a bus? I do not like the bus. Let us walk to the restaurant. That is a good idea. The restaurant is not far. Did you hear the negative sentences? Let me ask you some questions. Did Tom want to go to the park? No, he said, I do not want to go. Was Tom tired? No, he said, I am not tired. Did the car work? No, he said, the car does not work. Did Tom like the bus? No, he said, I do not like the bus. Was the restaurant far? No, Sarah said, the restaurant is not far. You did a great job listening. Now let us look at 5 common mistakes that students make. Mistake number 1. I know like coffee. This is wrong. The correct sentence is, I do not like coffee. We need to use do not for action verbs. Mistake number 2. She do not go to school. This is wrong. The correct sentence is, she does not go to school. We must use does not for the word she. Mistake number 3. He is no a doctor. This is wrong. The correct sentence is, he is not a doctor. We use not after am, is, and are. Mistake number 4. Tom does not plays tennis. This is wrong. The correct sentence is, Tom does not play tennis. Do not add an S to the action verb when we use does not. Mistake number 5. We not are sad. This is wrong. The correct sentence is, we are not sad. The word not must go after the word are. Let us do a quick practice. Fill in the blank with the correct word. Question 1. I blank not a student. Pause to think. The answer is am. I am not a student. Question 2. She blank not like cats. Pause to think. The answer is does. She does not like cats. Question 3. They blank not have a book. Pause to think. The answer is do. They do not have a book. Question 4. Tom blank not happy today. Pause to think. The answer is. Tom is not happy today. Question 5. We blank not play games. Pause to think. The answer is do. We do not play games. It is time for our English grammar quiz. Let us see how much you learned. Question 1. Which sentence is correct? A. I know like apples. B. I not like apples. C. I do not like apples. Pause to think. The correct answer is C. I do not like apples. We use do not with I. Question 2. Which sentence is correct? A. Sarah do not read. B. Sarah does not read. C. Sarah is not read. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. Sarah does not read. Sarah is a she, so we use does not. Question 3. Which sentence is correct? A. He are not a teacher. B. He am not a teacher. C. He is not a teacher. Pause to think. The correct answer is C. He is not a teacher. We use is with he. Question 4. Which sentence is correct? A. They do not go to the market. B. They does not go to the market. C. They are not go to the market. Pause to think. The correct answer is A. They do not go to the market. We use do not with they. Question 5. Which sentence is correct? A. The dog does not sleep. B. The dog does not sleeps. C. The dog do not sleep. Pause to think. The correct answer is A. The dog does not sleep. Remember, do not put an S on the action verb. Question 6. Which sentence is correct? A. We no want a cars. B. We not want a cars. C. We do not want a car. Pause to think. The correct answer is C. We do not want a car. We use do not with we. Question 7. Which sentence is correct? A. You is not my friend. B. You are not my friend. C. You am not my friend. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. You are not my friend. We use are with you. Question 8. Which sentence is correct? A. Emma does not likes apples. B. Emma do not like apples. C. Emma does not like apples. Pause to think. The correct answer is C. Emma does not like apples. We use does not, and we take away the S from likes. Question 9. Which sentence is correct? Say, I am not at the airport. B. I are not at the airport. C. I is not at the airport. Pause to think. The correct answer is A. I am not at the airport. We always use am with I. Question 10. Which sentence is correct? A. Tom and Sarah does not run. B. Tom and Sarah do not run. C. Tom and Sarah not run. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. Tom and Sarah do not run. Tom and Sarah means they, so we use do not. Let us do a quick summary. A negative sentence tells us something is not true. With the words am, is, and are, you just add the word not. Like I am not, she is not, they are not. With action verbs, we use the helping words do not or does not. Use do not for I, you, we, and they. Use does not for he, she, and it. Remember this simple rule, and your English will be perfect. Now it is time for your homework. Please write 3 negative sentences. Put them in the comments below. Use the words book, park, and friend. I will read your comments and check your English. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please press the like button. Subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment and share this lesson with your family. In our next video, we will learn how to ask questions. Keep learning. Keep listening. Keep growing your English with learning while listening anytime.